Example 9. The letters of the word article are arranged at random. Find the probability that the vowels may occupy even places. So we need to find the probability wherein vowels will occupy only even places. Now in word article we have 7 letters. So total we can arrange them in 7 factorial ways. So the total arrangements are 7 factorial ways. We can arrange them. We can arrange this word article in total 7 factorial words. 7 factorial ways, since we have 7 letters here. Now we need to find the probability that the vowels may occupy even places. So let me take event A as the event wherein these vowels will occupy only even places. Okay. Now since we have 7 places, 7 letters, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 places, right? And we need to take care that vowels should occupy only even places. So how many vowels do we have in word article? A is vowel, I and E. So we have 3 vowels and these 3 vowels should occupy only even places. So this we have even place 2 and 3. So we have 3 letters and 3 vowels and 3 even places. So any one of the 3 will take this place. Now any 2 from the remaining and the third one. Now the remaining are R, T, C and L. So 4 letters. So any one of the 4 will take this place. Any 3, remaining 3, remaining 2 and the last one. So these are the ways we can arrange them. So the required probability is going to be 3 factorial, since there are 3 places, 3 even places and we have 3 vowels and we have to arrange these 3 vowels in these 3 even places. So there are total 3 factorial ways we can arrange them. Next, remaining are 4 places and remaining are 4 consonants. So there are total 4 factorial ways we can arrange them. Okay, and total number of exhaustive cases is 7 factorial. Now just expand it. So this I am expanding this, keeping this as it is, and here we have 7, 6, 5 and 4 factorial. So this will get cancelled and we can cancel with this. So what we have is 1 upon 35. So the probability that the vowels may occupy even places in the word article is nothing but 1 upon 35. Next, example 10. The letters of the word failure are arranged at random. Find the probability that the consonants may occupy only odd positions. So now we have to find the probability wherein consonants are going to occupy only odd positions. Now in word failure, again we have 7 letters. Total ways of arranging this word failure is nothing but 7 factorial ways. So we can arrange this word failure in total 7 factorial ways. Now we have 7 letters here: F, A, I, L, U, R and E. So how many consonants we have here? 1, 2, 3 and this 3. Okay. So the consonants are F, L and R, and rest 4 are vowels. Now the thing is, we have to place these consonants on odd positions. So we have total 7 positions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 positions. Now in this 7 position, just check how many odd positions are there. This is odd position, odd, odd and odd position. So we have 4 odd positions, but consonants we have only 3, that is F, L and R. So in 4 positions we have to place this 3 consonants. So how many ways we can place 3 consonants on 4 places? It is 4C3 ways. In 4C3 ways, we can place 3 consonants. Okay, we can place 3 consonants in 4 places in 4C3 ways. Now these 3 consonants, whatever we are placing on these 4 places, again they can be arranged within themselves. There are another 3 factorial ways which can be arranged within themselves, right? So what will be my required probability here? These 4C3 ways, because there are 4 places and we are arranging 3 consonants on these 4 places. So out of 4 we are only choosing any 3 places. So it is going to be 4C3. Now these consonants, whatever we are placing, they can be arranged within themselves. Since 3 consonants, they can be arranged within themselves in 3 factorial ways. Now since these 3 places, any of these 3 places are already taken by consonants. So remaining will be, out of 7, remaining will be any 4 places, and we have remaining 4 vowels. So those 4 vowels has to be placed on these 4 remaining places. So the total ways of placing this remaining vowels are nothing but 4 factorial, and exhaustive cases 7 factorial. Now expand this. 4C3, I am expanding it here. NCR is nothing but n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. It is 4, I am expanding this again. 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial. So it is nothing but 4. So we have 4 here, 3 factorial, and keeping this as it is. Again expanding this, 6, 5 and 4 factorial. So this will get cancelled. We can even cancel this. So what we have is 4 upon 35. The probability that the consonants may occupy only odd position is nothing but 4 upon 35 in the word failure.